Hi.
That's my dad. He's gonna read my fidget toys. Oh my god. I got them here. Hold on. Okay. Let's get started now. He's gonna rate this one.
I'm going to rate this one. This one is better than Ambrea's hairdo today. She didn't brush it.
You gotta rate it, 10.
I did. I rated it better than your hair.
No, what did you rate out of 10?
Oh, it's out of 10?
Yeah.
2, because your hair is only a 1.
Okay, Knox.
Don't worry about Knox. Let's go.
Next is this one. Looks like a booty cheek.
Looks like a lime.
It's
It's the same as a banana, 2.
2, okay.
Oh, it's a big pink ball. 6.
Okay.
Okay, guys. What is this?
It's button presser.
0.
Why?
It's junk. It's made in China.
Come on. Okay,
Come on, we gotta hurry up. People stop watching after 2 minutes. I thought it was all squishy balls.
No. What?
1.
Okay. He really doesn't like these. Here.
No. Oh, what's this one do?
You gotta like move them. It's a puzzle ball.
This one's kind of neat. A 7.
Okay. He likes that one, I guess. This is like a snake thing.
A 1.
I made him do this.
Zero. Junk. Same as that other thing. 0.
Why?
Okay, one more only because we're going over 2 minutes. People don't like long videos.
No, I have a bunch more, Dad. But
No, trust me, Amber.
I said 10 minutes. I said 10 minutes. Okay, that one.
It's broken. 0.
How is it broken?
Pick me another one. Pick me another one. Pick me another one.
Okay.
How many toys do you need?
Billions.
Oh, yeah, this is a good one. This one is the 8.
What? Pinocchio. Okay, Knox, you can't be in here. No one wants to see you.
Three. Oh, God.
What do you rate
0. That's what I think in the college.
No, it's fun. Here's another one. Monkey noodles. I know what you're gonna say about them if you weren't even on camera. They're bookers. No, don't eat them. What do you
7.
Here, this one's my favorite.
A 5.
A 5.
Hmm. 0.
God, Dad.
Hey!
My dog's getting into stuff, so they're
Oh,
on me.
I bought this one.
Yeah, he bought those. They're fingering things.
4.
Okay.
It's a solid 4.
Fingerings.
Please like our video, subscribe, share us.
Rate that monkey noodle. It's dirty. Look.
It's the same as the other ones.
What was the other ones again? Knox! My dog's being a brat. Here's a button pusher. It's a lipstick cap. What do you rate it?
0.
What?
That thing should go in the garbage can.
Okay, I gotta get the other piece for this. Where's the other piece? Here it is. You gotta push hard.
Out of these little gadgets, a 1. I gave the rest a 0.
This thing, there's 2 parts that broke off. And then there's the huge one.
2.
A 2. I think you're gonna like this one. I hope. It's my favorite.
Three.
Oh god, he didn't like it. Okay. They're just magnets.
1.
He's watching football, so he's getting distracted.
Yeah, go Alabama.
Is there another one?
1. What the?
I made it.
What the heck is this? Look.
What do you rate it?
10.
Out of all those, you rate that one a 10.
Yeah.
Next is my fake puppet. I'm getting a real puppet in like 2 days, so.
My dear God. 0. That's gum wrappers. It's garbage.
Okay, last but not least are the mochis. The hairy little guys. Actually, no, there's one more.
Good 5.
Okay, he kind of likes these ones. I bought these, right? At Dollar Store.
With your own money, not mine.
Okay, here's one more. A marble! What is
3.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe and like the video. Bye! Bye!
Bye.
His name is Derek, and he's a stinky poo.
Yeah, he stinks like poop.
Bye.